Good morning, students. Now, today we will discuss one more congruence criteria, that is angle side angle. And in NCERT, it is given as theorem 7.1. Students, as you know that in every congruence criteria and in every congruence rule, we have to prove three corresponding part equal. Here we have two angles and one side. Two triangles are congruent if two triangles and the including sides of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the including sides of the other triangle. That is the mean of ASA. Look, look at the screen. ABC and PQR, or we can write XYZ. You can name it any use any alphabet XYZ. Okay. Now we need to prove is triangle congruent by SS. So angle corresponding this angle, side, side, again angle. That is the mean of ASA. Two angles and the including side. It doesn't mean two angles and this side. No. Two angles and this side. No. If two angles and the including side is there, we use ASA. ASA. And how we write symbolically here? Triangle ABC congruent triangle. Yes. Which one is corresponding equal? If two triangle, two corresponding angles are equal, automatically third is also equal by angle sum property. But here we use A for angle A, X. Now what is BC? BC is equal to YZ, then YZ. YZ, YZ. Yes, angle C is corresponding to angle Z. Z. That's why here the triangle ABC congruent triangle XYZ. But if I change the corresponding part, look at here again. Which including side is needed here for SS, ASA? Side is what? BC to XY. Now the symbolically representation will be changed. As we change the corresponding parts here, right? So how we write now? Triangle ABC congruent triangle. Which triangle? B is corresponding to what? Y. And the side is what? BC to XY. BC to XY, it means XY take place at last. So can we write triangle here? BC for XY. Look, BC corresponding to XY. Angle B is corresponding to Y. So what angle A is corresponding to what? Z. Can we write Z for angle A? Yes or no? Now BC is what? For XY. XY. Now check. B is what? Angle B. Angle B is corresponding to Y. So okay, here we need YX. XY is wrong. YX. Why? Because B is corresponding to X. B is corresponding to Y. B is corresponding to Y. C is corresponding to X. C is corresponding to X. This is very important. I again repeat, symbolically represent according to the corresponding part. That is very important. Okay, students. So please take care. Whenever you find out the corresponding part once, and then decide the congruence rule, and then write the symbolical form of congruence triangle. Okay. So this is ASA. Now look at the screen, because here we discuss some example based on this congruence criteria. Look at the screen. Now students, the proof of this ASA is not required to prove here. Okay, that's why only the rule you need to understand. Proof is not in your syllabus. Okay. Now, example number 3. Only one example is there. A line segment AB is parallel to the another line segment CD. It means AB parallel CD is given. O is the midpoint of AD. it means what? AO is equal to OD. Yes or no? It is given AO is equal to OD. O is a midpoint. Now show that triangle AOB is congruent triangle DOC, and O is also a midpoint of BC. It means we need to prove this equal to this all in the second part, and in the first part we need to congruent. Look, which type of angle is this? Vertically opposite angles is this here, and which type of angle is this? Alternate interior angles. Why? Because AB parallel CD is given. Look, angle ABO is equal to, look at here, alternate angles. Why? Because lines are parallel. The first corresponding part, by using the property given here, we take angle this equal to this, angle ABO is equal to angle DCO, alternate angles. Now angle AOB, this one is equal to this one, vertically opposite angles. Look at here in the solution, right? And AO is equal to OD, it is given. So which rule we apply here? AAS. Why AAS? No, ASA. ASA. It is the misprint here. It's a misprint here. ASA. Rule कौन सा लगेगा students? ASA. Understand? Angle, side, angle. And bicyclicity क्या हो जाएगा? OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. It means O is the midpoint of BC. Understand? This is all about the congruence criteria ASA, and we will discuss exercise 7.1 in our next video. Thank you.